Achha, one thing to note here is that when we are row reducing this augmented matrix A transpose A transpose B, we are getting this row reduced echelon form. Here every row has a every column has a non-zero pivot entry. So it will give you unique solution V. This will be your unique solution V. But sometimes it happens that we get infinitely many solutions of this new system of equations. A transpose AX equal to A transpose B. For example, consider this example. Non-unique least square solutions. See, this solution which we've obtained here, this solution is called least square solution to this inconsistent system. So next is non-unique least square solution. Consider this inconsistent system. A is this, B is this. This AX equal to B, we can easily check that this is a inconsistent system. So how to solve this? Write down A transpose A and A transpose B. So this is our now new system. A transpose AX equal to A transpose B. So we have to solve this augmented matrix A transpose A transpose B. By row reduced echelon form, we will get this thing. Now note that here first column has a pivot entry, second column has a pivot entry, but third column has no pivot entry. Okay. So that means we have to keep this, we have to put this x3 equal to constant k. So it will give you infinitely many solutions. Okay. So we will put x3 equal to k. So x1 and x2 will be in terms of k. Here they are using symbol C. So our solution will be this infinitely many solution. You can take any value of constant C. It will give you a solution. Now what will happen in this case? Suppose we take particular these two solutions. One C is taken 0, another C is taken minus 6 by 7. So one solution will be this V1, another solution we will get this V2. They are considering these two solutions. Now they are saying that A V1 will be equal to A V2. Okay. That means when we multiply A by V1 and V2, we will get same value. A V1 will be equal to A V2 is this. That means what? These two, any solution from this solution set will be the best possible solution. That means what? When we multiply A by any vector in S, we will get the same result. It will be this. So every vector in S is a least square solution to Ax equal to B. They all produce the same result for Ax, which is as close as to B. That means what? If we find AV minus B, that will be same for all V in this solution system. Clear? So any solution from here will be a least square solution to the inconsistent system. Clear? AV minus B for any V from S will be same. This here, this AV minus B की जिसकी हम बात कर रहे थे ना, ये V from any V from this solution set will give you same value of this norm AV minus B. Okay. So any solution from this is the best possible approximate solution. It is called least square solution of the system. Why do we call least square? By the name of this process, the process by which we obtain this solution is by least square solution. Okay. So we are not going into theory, just the name of that solution is least square solution to the system Ax equal to B. It is obtained when the system is inconsistent. If consistent, then we can easily get the exact solution. If system is inconsistent, then we get approximate solution by least square by this method, which is called which solution, the name of the solution is least square solution.